Am I the only one that didn't know you can start a business with zero inventory? Yup, dropshipping makes it possible. Starting a business can be overwhelming. Inventory, storage, shipping, the headaches never end. But what if I told you there's a way to sell products online without any of that hassle? Introducing
Dropservicing,
a proven business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Our 30-day
Dropservicing
challenge will take you from beginner to pro in just 1 month. Imagine in just 30 days you'll have your very own online store up and running. Step-by-step guidance, expert mentorship and a supportive community are all here to help you succeed. No inventory, minimal startup costs, and the freedom to work from anywhere. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just about the logistics. You'll learn how to identify trending products, target your ideal customers, and create a brand that stands out. Plus, we'll teach you proven marketing strategies to drive traffic and boost sales. And the best part, you'll be part of a community that's with you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and get exclusive bonuses to kickstart your journey. Start building your dream online business today. Click the link below and let's get started with the 30-day
Dropservicing
challenge. Remember, the only thing
Start
standing
with
between you and your dream
Dropservicing model.
business is
Link in
taking
description.
that first step. Join us and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.